game. It's a rich thing.
Alright guys, we got something very cool to show you guys, and I'm not gonna waste my time. You see the title of the video. About 3 months ago or whatever, in October I think December, around December, October-ish, I can't remember exactly, but we went ahead and sent off my taillights, my all clear ones. As you remember, here's a photo of my car right here with them. And then this is what we got back. I kind of opened it at my buddy's house, but we got the all chrome again. But this time we got a full LED inside of it. Oof, looks so nice.
Where you at?
In the house. Where you at?
Oh, I'm here.
Park and come in. I want to test these taillights out.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
And we got the other one right here. We're gonna take them out, take it out of the wrapping. Make sure it's all good. And then we're gonna be seeing what else is in here. We got what we got? Was it flies?
Tony?
Was it flies?
Oh, flies in the taillights?
We got flies in the taillights.
One time, I don't have that no more.
We got flies in the taillights. Reviewing my non-fly taillights. I'm just kidding. Then we got the, I guess these are the ballast for it. This is plug and play straight into here. Same thing with that one. And then he actually has this already wired up where you can just plug it straight into the car. You can see it. That's the car connector for the turn signal. And then this one should be for your brakes and all that. And then we got your power and ground. So right now I think I'm just gonna set it up so that way I can just test out the lights with the power and ground. Red with the red. Same thing with the blue, so it's very easy to color coordinate that. Now we're gonna go ahead and put power and ground, and we're gonna see what happens. All right, so we got to connect it to power and ground. What I did was I downloaded the Blues Ghost app controller, and then I went to Bluetooth and paired them and set a pin. Anyway, so we're on here now. And we're gonna go through some of the modes it has. This one's called popcorn. I don't know why. It don't taste like popcorn.
I like popcorn.
It don't taste like popcorn. We got a wave. This is the wave function. Scion. We're not gonna go through all of it. We'll just go through it. We got parade. We got the dazzle. Kind of like the dazzle. That one's pretty cool. Change colors. Let me turn the. So this is the lowest setting on the brightness. Alright, well I guess that one don't do shit. Oh shit, what happened? They're not working no more.
Well, this is the end of the video, guys.
That's
the battery may have died.
Yeah, I think the battery died, so we'll pick this up again right now. Hello. Alright, well I guess I have no battery. That was an issue. I had it too dim. So here we go. We got it back on. Yeah, let's just keep going. So yeah, we got some settings we're gonna go through. I thought honestly it was gonna have a lot more, but it's whatever, I guess.
Behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes. But yeah, this is it. We'll probably do the install tomorrow. And yeah, let's not fry this up. And that's a wrap. Alright, I'm at my work. Go ahead and pop the hood. We're going to disconnect the battery. I actually installed like a quick connect. I think I showed it off. If not, it's just right here. Pull it up, and then this whole thing comes off. Very easy. Go ahead and do that. And now we're gonna go ahead and focus on the trunk. we're gonna release all the air because I gotta take off all my air systems. So we're gonna take off the whole air system, and then we'll be able to move these, get behind it, and start installing the taillights and wiring it up to power and ground. But yeah, I'm gonna skip through this. I did this multiple times. We're gonna go ahead and remove all this out. Alright guys, I'm actually gonna take out the side marker because they actually started yellowing. I'm going back to the original chrome, at least in the rear, because I don't have the front ones yet. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now.
Guys, so I just pulled up to Dimitri's workplace, and actually, let's wait. Let's show his old ones, Type S's. Okay, black. But once you get to these ones right here, look at these bad boys. Is it all individual LED lights right here?
Yep.
All individual. Oops. LED. Wow. First ones that I've seen in the West Coast that has it. Like this. It's pretty cool. Super cool. One and only Mythic Customs. Waited about 4 or 6 months. You waited for your tail lights? 3 to 4 months. I was wrong.
Right, and the video for this Friday is literally gonna be the video of me sending them off.
Oh, so it is 3 months away. But dang.
So right now we put the 8 mils in. It came with the ballast right here. We're gonna go ahead and put the dope side tape on here and mount it on the very top of the trunk right here. Let's show them. We're gonna put them right up here on the top. That's where we're gonna put it. But yeah. Cool. Came with all the clips and everything. Alright, so we got the passenger side. I'll show you guys. So we got the 8 bolts back here. Next we got the wires exposed. You can see it. Pink ones and a blue one, so that way you can't get it wrong. There's blue and pink. And he has it all labeled up. So this passenger side, same thing with this one. It's gonna be blue and pink on this one right here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this tab off and connect this part for now, and then I'm probably going to tape this up just in case. Alright, so as for it to plug in place, so we're getting the connectors on. We got one on right here. The other connector is a turn signal, so what you're going to have to do is remove your turn signal, remove the bulb, and now this goes right in here. Let me go do that real quick. All right, now that is in there, I'm gonna go ahead and get this on there. Just like that. And now we can probably tuck this back up here. And now all we gotta do is run the power and ground, which is right here. I have an amp, so I'm probably gonna run the power and ground straight to my amp right here. If you guys want to do it, you guys can run it some other way, but I have the amp and everything, so I'm just gonna run it here. I got one ground over here somewhere. I believe we have a ground up there, and then I got a ground over here for this side, and just the power wire I'm gonna run probably right here is where I'm gonna run the power wire. Alright, supplied my own 3M, got the 3M tape for the ballast up in that corner. We're gonna go ahead and put power and ground now right here. So we're gonna go ahead and put the connector for this. Alright, so I actually have this ground wire over here. You can see there's a bolt right there. You can see it right there. That's how I have it from my offset. So I have both ground connected, and I'm gonna tape this up. And then we're gonna go ahead and I actually have another wire, which is down here. And this is actually gonna be the power wire that's constant. So we're gonna actually tap into this wire again and combine both of these. And I'm just gonna run it down here. Wire's not tucked, but we got it working. So far it's show mode. It looks like all the show modes are actually working. Oh my god, that's so crazy.
Sheesh. All individual LED lights, show mode.
Dude. I don't know if you can see it on camera.
Look at that.
Alright, let's keep going. Heartbeat. Might have to dim it out.
Oh, you're cool, bro. You're so cool. What's that?
Sheesh, that's so hard. I
First
was
have I seen.
trying to get some good like shots. It's kind of hard to. Where'd that one off? What the fuck? I think I got disconnected. There it goes.
Uh-oh.
It's weird. Alright, well Tim almost killed the battery lifeline here, so we're gonna make this quick. I'll do more in-depth video for tomorrow or Friday. We'll still in this video. But yeah, we got it fully installed. It looks so good. Let me unlock it. That's dope. Yeah, we're gonna move them out and go home. So see you guys in the next clip. Alright, next day. I found out my wheels cracked, so I'm actually on a Steely. But let me unlock the car. Look what happens when I unlock the car. It's like the turn on sequence. So dope. But yeah, we're on a Steely. I just got the rim fixed. And we're gonna go ahead and just put that on real quick. I've been hearing a noise. I thought it was my axle, so I'm trying to, grab meet is in 2 days, so I'm trying to get everything done. You can see the crack. I'm gonna go ahead and put the wheel back on. Shout out to Rentec. Let's show them the wheel that I put it back on. Let them know I put
Demi's new 3-piece conversion wheel.
Yeah, we're gonna convert this to a 3-piece OEM Enki wheel. We're gonna go ahead and convert this.
No reps here.
First ever 3rd gen spare 3-piece conversion.
What did I show him?
I put the wheel back on.
So the first mod Demi's done is, I guess he's happy he put his wheel back on. I don't know. I guess that's a good accomplishment. These are fake 326 legs, by the way, guys. Don't let him fool you. Hit it again. Yeah, I'm jealous. Cut it up.
Tim said, hurry up. Alright, well, you can just like hop over the fence and, you know, run across the street and I can meet you and bring you. Oh, cold.
Alright, we're gonna do V1
That's what it was.
versus V2. Let's shoot.
Oh, that's a...
It was so funny.
What's up, Sachi?
Like, he wasn't prepared too. He doesn't even have a sweater. There you go. There you go.
Trying to be like me.
Got V1 over here.
Stepping up his
Alright,
game.
so how much is this one right here?
Give me my sticker.
150.
Is that what I said?
150, and how much is this one?
1,050.
150. 150 plus another 0.
Plus 16 other jaws. There's your girlfriend. Dude, you don't have to be gentle. They took the electric cords and
we have
everything off of me.
$150 LED
I'm
custom
100
tail
proof
lights.
now.
By me?
I just gotta go back in to
By
get
him?
the surgery done.
Or 1,300 for these. Which one are you choosing? Which one are you choosing?
That one, because it's not my car. No,
Alright guys, V2.
V2. This is V2 actually. We're looking at V2. This is V1. This is V2.
This V2 guys. You know, it's a lot cheaper than what he paid.
I made these. Alright guys, we're going to end the video here. We're going to go ahead and we'll be going to the Grand Meet today. So we're going to edit here and then we'll pick up the video, next video, going to the Grand Meet. But yeah, hope you like the tail lights. Hit up Kyle, link in the description, Instagram and all that right here. And yeah, check them out. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Peace.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.